physics. Today we discussing on a topic transducers. Transducers is a electronic device which converts one form of energy into another form of energy. These transducers are of two types. First is active type and second is passive type. Active type transducers are the transducers which runs on a external energy, and passive transducers are the transducers which does not require external energy. Active transducers, for example, the photovoltaic cell, thermocouple, these are the examples of active transducers. Next, passive transducers. Passive transducers are also examples microphone and loudspeaker are the two examples of passive transducers. Now we discussing a microphone in details. Microphone converts a sound energy into a electrical energy. For example, the pressure or carbon microphone is the example of microphone. In this pressure microphone or carbon microphone, the carbon granules are used for a dielectric material. Now we draw a diagram of carbon microphone. First, the diagram is sketched. In this diagram, one plate P1 and another plate P2 are connected with the series. In this series circuit, a key is inserted. Battery's negative is connected to a plate P1 and battery's positive is connected to a primary coil of the transformer. The secondary coil of the transformer is connected to the output circuit. If the sound waves are inserted on a plate P1, the granules are disturbed its position, and distance between plate P1 and P2 are changes with respect to inserting sound waves. These granules are compressed and decompressed with the intensity of sound waves. These granules are compressed, then the distance between two plates is decreases, and if the sound waves are steady, then the distance between two plates is constant. In this circuit, the current I is equal to the EMF in the circuit divided by the resistance. That is, this current is constant if the distance between two plates are constant. Now, in the working of carbon microphone, if no sound is inserted on a plate P1, then the current equation is capital I is equal to, that is E by R, that is the resistance of the circuit is constant. Therefore, current is I is equal to E divided by R. But if the sound waves are inserted on the plate P1, then the resistance becomes R dash, that is initial resistance capital R plus Ka plus K sin omega t, where Ka is the amplitude of vibrations of divergent. Now, in this carbon microphone, the intensity of the sound is depend on the carbon granules disturbance. Now, the merits of this carbon microphone is first merit is the sensitivity is very high, that is most sensitive at 2000 Hertz, and second the 150 Hertz frequency to the 1000 Hertz frequency, the sensitivity is constant, that is in this graph the sensitivity on y-axis and frequency on x-axis. First the intensity of the frequency sound is increases up to the 150 Hertz. Above 150 Hertz it is constant up to the 1000 Hertz, and it gets sensitive at the 2000 Hertz maximum peak. Now the limitation of this carbon microphone is that large noise, local heating of carbon granules at constant granules at contact gives rise the large self noise is the limitation of this carbon microphone. And second is due to packaging, it reduces the sensitivity of the microphone. Thank you.